wanted to do a quick overview of our helmet mounts and how to put them on the wall. So this is our old kit. Here's the powder coated helmet mount and the ball that we used to include, and the screws. So I've got 3 wall anchors and 3 drywall screws. So we've gotten rid of this, and we now have a nice custom half sphere that's fitted for this. And then we also have this nice cover plate, plastic cover plate with magnets, so it's nice and decorative. So let's go over how to install this guy real quick and what you're going to need. So you'll need the wall mount kit, a screwdriver, a pencil, a tape measure, a level, and a drill if you want. I'll be using that in a second. So the first thing I would do is measure your wall, see where you want it. This is 18 inches wide. I'll go right in the center, 9 inches. And I'm going to do this a little lower, so I'm just going to put a mark here. And that's where I'm going to put it. If you want to put it in a stud, you can use a stud finder to do the knot test. I like to use a magnet to find a screw, and that's where your stud's at. So if you can run a magnet down your wall and it grabs, that's where your stud's at. So I'll go ahead and make the hole here. You can use a screwdriver to make the hole. You can use a drill. A lot of people may not have a set of drill bits, so you can just do it this way and make a nice straight hole. Don't go cockeyed one way or the other, or else you'll end up with a bigger hole than you need. And then take one of the wall anchors and just tap it in. You can use a hammer, but that works just fine. So get it nice and tight in there. And then take your wall mount, and I'm going to use a screw gun in this part very, very lightly so I don't damage this thing. So I'm starting with the bottom screw, so that way I can let gravity help me with this. I'm going to let it dangle a little bit so it's not completely tight there. Then I'm going to use my level. I'm going to see where level is. That's level right there. So I'll make a mark with my pencil. You can also measure over from a corner or a doorway where you want it to be, and if you don't have a level. So I'll go ahead and do this again. And if you have a drill, you can do this too. Just make sure you're in the center. Use that bit to make a hole and finish it off with a screwdriver. And hopefully it lines up. Finish it off with the screwdriver. So that's nice and sturdy. I didn't over tighten the screws because you don't want to damage the wall. I'm going to put the cover plate on. That looks pretty nice. And then, let's see, put the topper on, and then your helmet. And that's it. So you can find these on our Etsy store. They're $35 plus shipping. And these will accommodate a wide variety of helmets: TK helmets, X-Wing helmets, Mando helmets. The only ones that they won't fit right now are Royal Guards or Vader helmets, and we're working on those. So if you have any questions, you can email me at darthhair@yahoo.com. You can visit us on Facebook at facebook.com/DHPFX. And thanks for watching.